Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel and I am Muhammad Irfanullah. So as you know, we already started our new session for the China Scholarship 21 to 2020, 22. Okay, and two of the parts already uploaded on our YouTube channel and you can watch. So now in this video we discuss about how to send emails to Chinese professors and how you find Chinese professors emails. This is in these steps it will be covered in next video. So in this video, how you send emails to Chinese professor, which email body or which email you can use for getting acceptance letter. So the main purpose of this story is that how you send email to Chinese professors, okay, and how you which email body you can use. And with the when you send emails to Chinese professors, you attach your CV, nothing else you can attach. Okay, now the question is that student says that how many professors we can send emails to, how many professors. So the question is that you can send maximum emails to maximum professors. Okay, there is no limit and there is no limitation for any professors or any emails. So this is the question we covered in this video. And students also says that which email we can use, means we use Gmail ID or Yahoo ID or QQID and these kind of emails. So you can use every email. Email means you can use Gmail, you can use Yahoo and these kind of things. So no, these are the things, and now we can go to the computer screen, that how you send emails to Chinese professors. If any other question comes in my mind about email, so I will discuss in the video. So good luck, and we go to the computer screen. So guys, now we are on computer screen, so let's start the process. So first you type in Google CSC Guide Official, type in Google CSC Guide official.com or CSC Guide Official and click on this Google search link. Okay, when you click on search, you can see the first link. Click on the first link. Okay, when you click on the first link, you can get everything which you want about China scholarship. So this is our website cscguideofficial.com, and applying procedure, CSC Guide required document sample. We update document samples in upcoming videos. So if you want to get the review about scholarship documents samples, so you can get. Okay, now you click on the China scholarship procedure 2021 and 2022. Okay, click on this link and you can see the only one step. No, still only one step we published. No, after that we published step 2 and step 3 further. Okay, click on the step 1. When you click on step 1, you can see how to send emails to Chinese professors, step 1. Okay, this is the step 1. So when you send to emails professors, a lot of question in your minds that how we send, how many professors, and which is the subject line. So now you must type, these are the three subject lines which you type in your email subject lines. So request for supervision and request for acceptance letter and request for acceptance letter for supervision. First you should try with first one, and if you not get acceptance letter, then you try this one, and after that you can try the last one. Okay, this one is more attractive according to my experience. So you can try first, you can try request for supervision. So I copy the request for supervision. Okay, and go to my Gmail. You can use every platform like Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, and other one is that QQ. So no, it doesn't matter. So just paste here request for supervision, paste here, and the recipient which you send emails, we will discuss about that in next video, that how you find Chinese professors email. So don't worry about this. In this video I will tell you how you send email to professor. Okay, this is copied, and the next question in your mind, that which email body and which email format which you send, and means I don't know which email I want to send, I will send. Okay, so Respected professors, I hope you are fine. My name is blah blah blah. I have done my BSc in the field of sports. Means you type your you must mention your field. Means you are civil engineering student, electrical, mechanical, and these kind of things. You type you according to your field. From Government College University Faisalabad, means it's university name. Okay, after that you type full stop here. Okay, a well-known university in Pakistan. You type your you type it according to your country. Okay, I have done go through your profile and research. I saw that I found that your research interests are well matching to my research interest. So it means that your research interests are matching with the research interest. If you think that I don't know what is my research interest, so how I can say that my research interest match with this professor? So it's not doesn't matter. Means if your fields are same, means your research interests are same. Okay, but if you applying for PhD, then must focus your previous master degree research direction to the your future research professors. So it's matter, but for master students it doesn't matter. Even though you can for PhD it doesn't matter as well, but it's more preferable. Okay, no, even I also worked. No, you also mentioned that if you work any topic for guidance and supervision, if professors have something else, if you want to send emails, but professor's research direction is not matched with your research interest, you also says in that says in this sentence that you should work any topic with the professors. Okay, I am solely interested. Again I says that my English is not good, but I will try my best for those students who want to apply for scholarship, so he don't understand Urdu or Hindi language. So that's why I made videos for those students. So I don't use scripted videos or scripted titles, so that's why I will try to speak continuously. So you can see that I am solely interested in doing research and your supervision as a master students. If you are a master students, then type master. If you are a PhD students, then type PhD students. Okay, and also you can mention that all of my expenses are covered by Chinese government scholarship or any other scholarship in your country. Because this is mentioned, I mentioned this because in some universities you want to apply for Chinese government scholarship, but university offer you another scholarship. So that's why I mentioned this in this email format. So you can also mention that, because sometimes when you send emails to the professors think that he come to my university and he work under my supervision, but all of the expenses are covered by me. So that's why we need to mention Chinese government scholarship or any other scholarship. Now when professor seeing this, the professor relaxed about your funding. So funding is given by the Chinese government. So you also mention that I am 100% ready to join your research group in next session 2020-2022. So it means you give a clear message to the professors that you are 100% agree to come to the to China when you get scholarship. So you also mentioned I may request to provide me an opportunity to pursue my higher study under kind of supervision. Please give me an acceptance letter, and for detail I attach my CV. You just attach your CV, no study plan, no research proposal, or no other things you should attach. So if you are a PhD student, then maybe you attach your research proposal. So it's not necessary. Okay, wait for supervisor request response, and thank you for records. You can also type. Okay, now when you send emails to this email to professors, then some professor says that have you any kind of acceptance letter format? So don't worry about this. Click here, China CSC scholarship required documents, and when you click here, then you can click the second one, this one, CSC scholarship required documents. Then okay, these are the required documents. We'll update it again one by one in upcoming videos, so don't worry about this. This is for you, this is enough. Okay, so don't worry about this. Hey, here is the acceptance letter format. You can see where is the acceptance letter format. Here's download. Now I downloaded acceptance letter format. I'll just show you what is the acceptance letter and what is the how it looks. So this is the acceptance letter format. So we will discuss in any other video. So you just if professor says that please provide me an acceptance letter format, then you should type your university name here, your name, and all these details given by you. But sometimes professors have don't require this. Okay, this is the acceptance letter format. Okay, all the other things required samples here available. So we don't worry about this. We will discuss in upcoming videos as we started further videos for required documents. Okay, now this one is the first email body, and another one is that. Okay, is this. So if you think that you send emails to professors but you can't get acceptance letter or any response from Chinese professor, then try this method as well. Okay, it depends on you which method you adopted. So I will suggest you use this method because this is very preferable method for getting acceptance letter, and it's I also send this email format to the professor. So I copy this. Okay, I copy this and paste here. Okay, I am from Pakistan, and remove these sentences mistakes. So if you don't do this, it's okay, no problem. Regards is I closed this one. Okay, so regards is Imran Khan. Okay, I type Imran Khan and attach your CV. Click here and attach your CV. So how you make CV we will discuss in the next video, because in upcoming videos. So don't worry about the CV. Okay, also except CV format is also available here. You can see required document sample. In required document sample you can see download now it and work it. But in next videos we make a new CV format sample. We will try to make, but if you can wait, then you should. Okay, so this is the format, and this is the email format procedure, and this is the email procedure how you send emails. And in place of recipient, you should put the email professor which you want to get acceptance letter from the professor. So how you find the professor and which professor you need to send emails to professors, so we will discuss about that in next videos. So this video is very helpful. I think this video is very helpful for you. So wait for the next video. Stay home, stay safe, good luck, and take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.